How do pop-up drink stands budget for generators? The short answer is that most stands set aside around 10 to 15% of their total startup costs just for the generator, fuel, and maintenance, because power ends up being one of the biggest hidden expenses in a mobile drink business. Think of a generator like a big battery that never runs out as long as you keep feeding it fuel. And every blender, ice machine, and light you plug in eats away at how much power that generator can give at once. Most small drink stands don't realize they need to add up the wattage of every single appliance before buying a generator. Because if you guess too low, the generator can overheat or shut down right in the middle of a busy afternoon. Something a lot of new vendors never learn until it's too late is that inverter generators, the quieter kind, actually protect delicate electronics like blenders and card readers much better than the loud traditional ones, even though they cost more upfront. A smart trick many successful stand owners use is renting a generator for their first few events instead of buying one, just to figure out their real power needs before spending hundreds of dollars on equipment that might be too big or too small. Fuel is another sneaky cost, because a generator running all day at a festival can burn through several gallons, and that adds up fast when you're doing this every single weekend. Some vendors even switch to propane generators instead of gasoline ones because propane doesn't go bad sitting in a tank for months, which saves money during the slow season. One thing to really watch out for is buying a generator that's too small for your busiest day, so it's always smart to calculate your peak wattage and then add a cushion of about 20% on top just in case. Another caution is forgetting that many festivals and city events have noise limits or require generators to sit a certain distance from crowds, so always check the rules before you show up or you could get sent home early. A lot of vendors also forget to budget for regular maintenance like oil changes and spark plug swaps, and skipping that can lead to a generator dying right when you need it most, so setting aside a small monthly maintenance fund can save you from a disaster. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.